The District Election Officer, East Khasi Hills District, in collaboration with Meghalaya Model United Nation, yesterday organized an open musical evening at Khyndailad Police Bazaar. A large number of people gathered to experience the musical event as a run-up to the elections. Meghalaya will go for the polls in the first phase of Lok Sabha elections scheduled to be held tomorrow. The district administration is making all efforts to ensure that voters' turnout is increased. As the curtains comes down from the campaigning, the election department is using music to attract the young voters, particularly the youths.
And the answer. Give him a huge round of applause.
People who are here and supporting us and being part.
The West Janta Hills District Administration